In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in Canon PIXMA TS3750i printer. First step is to switch on the printer, and the ink chamber is just in the front. Go to the front side. You will see there is a door here, so push this button down and it will open the ink chamber. The ink cartridges will move and come to the left side. There is a blue lock here, so press it down and then take the ink cartridge out. Take your new ink cartridge, remove all the seals, and it should look like clean like this, and then place color ink cartridge on the color side, slide it in and push the lock up. Same with the black ink cartridge, remove the seal, place it here, move the lock up. Close this door, flashing 0, just wait. Now our printer is ready. This way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.